Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
I am Deep Sushil Gandhi, student of Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. We have brought you our project named Yoga Utsav, made by me and Ms. Sanskriti Ferde, Mr. Suyesh Ganeshkar, Mr. Om Dhengle, under the mentorship of Professor Balaji Chagule. So this is a poster representing our project. Our aim is to build Yoga Center website using HTML and CSS. Yoga Utsav is a yoga instructor website template for boosting the spirit of yoga and meditation to the next level. We have used Wix.com, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Flash Professional, FileZilla, Google Analytics, Visual Studio Code, Bootstrap, and simple Chrome browser for this project. So we were inspired to build this website Yoga Utsav on the account of upcoming Yoga Day on the 21st June 2021. So this is the homepage of our website. If you already have an now logging in, if you already have an account, you can log in and put your credentials like username and password, and yeah, thereby logging in. So let me show you our various programs. The workshops. Our workshops and masterclass focus on yoga through lecture, discussion, and practice, and is designed by Miss Amanda Korea. Retreat. Retreat. It is an interesting extract by Mr. Manmohan Singh, which explains what the core of our retreat programs consist of, and so yeah, what to expect at a yoga retreat. Next is corporate training. Our corporate training classes help executives to deal with their tedious work life with the help of yoga. Next is our media and gallery section. It showcases our top-notch yoga facilities like yoga center, yoga retreat centers, etc. Next is an upcoming free for all 11 days program which will be taught by Miss Kelly Adams. For more details, click on more details. It focuses on mainly Kriya, Pranayama, Asanas, and modern Pilates. So now the question of how to register for this program. It is simple. For registering, here it is. For registering, you have to click on register now and fill in your credentials like email address, name, height, age, weight, etc. as that will be necessary for analyzing how your schedule will be like. In our blog section, compelling articles written by our yoga followers dictate their enlightening experiences in our yoga classes. They mention what our weekly class schedules will be consisting of, like the prerequisites, our latest yoga products, and our show about yoga for better and healthy living. So yeah, here it is. For example, let's see this blog, yoga for better and healthy living. It is a 4 hours per day class. The details will be mentioned in that blog. So by now, having caught your attention, you can subscribe to our newsletter. Click on subscribe and put in your email ID and your name. For more information, you can contact the mobile numbers given below and follow us on various platforms like Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Yeah, so here it is. Subscribe, email address and name. That's it. Okay. Now logging out. Now I shall show you the code of our HTML and CSS files. The templates code is very convenient for both beginners and expert coders. We refer to sites like W3 Schools, Geek for Geeks, Reddit, Quora, Programmer 7, Code Ranch, and Google Groups. So that is all, guys. We hope you all will help us to grow into a larger community and bring yoga to people's daily life with our Yoga Utsav website. Thank you all.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.